Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network problems. Open Settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then select Additional Settings, then go down, then select Backup and Reset, then select Erase all data. So here you can see Reset Network Settings. This option will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. It also delete existing APN, then create a new working APN. Tap on this option, then tap on Reset, Resetting, done. If this is not fixing your problem, you can try the second method. Reset system settings only. Tap on that. This option resets system settings. That includes network settings. Tap on reset. Again tap on reset. Restoring. Done. So these are the two options to reset network settings and fix network problems. Please try it.